Hello all, welcome to Smart Prep Global. In this video, we will check how we are supposed to go ahead with the live class. So once you click on the live class on the portal, you'll be greeted by this page. So to start with, just check on the right hand side upward corner, you'll see that there will be a download ebook. So basically, this being a freemium package, you are going to get a limited access to the book. However, when you buy the package, you will be able to download a Cambridge book which is meant for IELTS. Now, let's proceed towards a routine kind of a thing wherein on every Monday we conduct lectures on reading, Tuesday listening, Wednesday writing task 1, Thursday writing task 2, Friday speaking, Saturday doubt solving, and Sunday an orientation for beginners. So this is how the whole week is divided into the kind of lectures that are being conducted. Now let's say, for example, we want to go for IELTS academic, English or Hindi. Now over here you'll find that there are places wherein it is written English oblique Hindi, English, again English oblique Hindi, English. So basically there are certain batches wherein the tutor is going to teach in the combination of English and Hindi, whereas there are certain batches wherein the tutors are teaching only in English. Now as a student, once you buy the package, there is no restriction to which batch you should enroll yourself into. It is as simple that you can on the same day attend all the 4 batches, whichever batch you feel that you are comfortable with. Now let's assume that we want to view the IELTS academic lecture. So we click on that thing. Now the message that is shown on the screen is no class available. So what we can do is we can check out for the upcoming lectures. So there is an information given on the left hand side. Apart from that, if you click on the archived lectures, you can at random check any date and you can straight away start the recorded session which had happened on that particular date. So basically, if at all you have missed out on any of the sessions at the live classes,
का एक्सप्लेनेशन यहाँ पर रख तो रही हूँ,
लाइक अराउंड 37 to 40 स्टूडेंट्स ने रखा है, और अब देखो किसी में भी कुछ ऐसा आपको दिखाई दिया कि कुछ अलग हो.
So basically, if at all you have missed out on any of the sessions, you can at any given point of time access to any of the lectures that you might have missed out on. So in this fashion, you can go ahead. This was just an English or Hindi. Now what you can do is you can check out for an only English. On an average, the lectures are conducted for 1 hour 30 minutes.
We might be in hurry and we have written that.
We might be in hurry and we have written that.
Check and
That
edit.
we can
Alright,
check
so
and
always
edit it. Alright,
spare
so
2 to 3
always
minutes for checking.
spare 2 to 3
Okay.
minutes for checking. Okay?
Now, apart from that, every Saturday there is an IELTS academic doubt solving session, morning and afternoon batch. So once you click on that, you'll find an information regarding the same. So basically this batch is conducted for 60 minutes, normally at 1:15 in the afternoon and 9 o'clock in the morning. So this is the doubt solving session which is being conducted every Saturday. Now basically majority of the doubts are getting cleared during the lectures itself. Apart from that, if at all there is any doubt, students can always log in at this point of time and ask the questions straight away in the live classes that are being conducted. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are all aware how to use the live class in Smart Prep Global. All the best for your studies. Thank you.